हेलो एवरीवन, फिर से लेकर आया हूँ 50 क्वेश्चन आंसर की सीरीज आपके लिए, जो कि डिफरेंट स्पोर्ट्स एंड गेम्स पर आधारित है। और ये काफी ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है जो कि कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम्स में आते रहते हैं। थ्योरी के साथ साथ आप इनकी भी तैयारी करते रहें, क्योंकि कभी भी कोई एग्जाम्स आ सकता है, तो आपको कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होनी चाहिए। अगर आप चैनल पर नए हैं तो कृपया लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन बटन को भी प्रेस करें, ताकि इन फ्यूचर आने वाले वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन भी आपको मिलता रहे, क्योंकि यहाँ पर एग्जाम्स की तैयारी होती है। तो बिना कोई टाइम गवाए हम लोग चलते हैं डायरेक्ट स्क्रीन पर। When was the first Winter Olympic held? 1899, 1905, 1924, 1915. Correct answer is 1924. Who was the torchlighter in the 2018 Asian Games? Suzy Susanti, Vahana, Arki Dikania, Vinsu, Liliana Natsir. Correct answer is A. Suzy Susanti. Who had proposed the Olympic motto? Andrew Parsons, Baron Coubertin, Henry Dayton, Carl Chang. Correct answer is B. Baron Coubertin. Which is highest governing body of tennis globally? Tennis Association of the World, Global Tennis Organization, International Tennis Federation, International Tennis Association. Correct answer is C. International Tennis Federation. Which country won the Wrestling World Cup 2018 in women's freestyle held in Takasaki, Japan? Japan, China, USA, Canada. Correct answer is A. Japan. In which city was the final of 2015 ICC World Cup played? Brisbane, Sydney, Melbourne, Auckland. Correct answer is C. Melbourne. How many women's athletes have won at least 6 medals in the World Championship in Athletics? Alison Felix, Marlene Otti, Veronica Brown, all the above. Correct answer is D. All the above. When was the All India Tennis Association founded? 1950, 1920, 1965, 1937. Correct answer is B. 1920. With which field event are Priyanka Pawar, Mandeep Kaur, Machetya Raju, Puamma are associated? 400 meter, 4 into 400 meter relay, shot put, 100 meter. Correct answer is B. 4 into 400 meter relay. Where are the headquarters of International Gymnastics Federation? England, Germany, Switzerland, France. Correct answer is C. Switzerland. Which team had won the 2015 Cricket World Cup? Australia, New Zealand, South Africa, India. Correct answer is A. Australia. What is the full form of FIAC? International Cycling Federation for Amateur, International Amateur Cycling Federation, Cycling Federation of the World, Global Cycling Federation. Correct answer is B. International Amateur Cycling Federation. Who was the first Indian woman to win a gold medal at the Commonwealth Games? Anju Bapi George, Krishna Punia, Sini Jose, Mandeep Kaur. Correct answer is B. Krishna Punia. When was the first time the team sports were introduced in the games? 1990, 1994, 1998, 2002. Correct answer is C. 1998. Who won the gold medal in pole vaulting in men's category in 2016 Rio Olympics? Sam Kendricks, Reynold Levillani, Thiago Braz da Silva, Rafael Holzape. Correct answer is C. Thiago Braz da Silva. Which nation had topped the medal table in the 2017 short court world held at Canada? Russia, Hungary, United States, China. Correct answer is C. United States. When was the Athletics Federation of India formed? 1985, 1978, 1946, 1965. Correct answer is C. 1946. What is the motto of Olympic Council of Asia? Ever onwards, ever freedom, ever unity, all together. Correct answer is A. Ever onwards. As per the ICC Women's ODI ranking, what is the position of Indian team? 1, 2, 3, 4. Correct answer is C. 3. When was the Indian national cricket team granted the test cricket status? 1792, 1880, 1932, 1952. Correct answer is C. 1932. Who is the head coach of Indian national football team? Sunil Chhetri, Manveer Singh, Stephen Constantine, Bob Houghton. Correct answer is C. Stephen Constantine. Which of the following does not stand for a round robin tournament? Gironial, Italiana, Burger system, quad, knockout system. Correct answer is D. Knockout system. Who had officially opened the Gold Coast 2018 Games? Sally Pearson, Queen Elizabeth II, Karen Murphy, Prince Charles. Correct answer is D, Prince Charles. Who was the first male player to complete the career Grand Slam on 3 different surfaces? Andrew Agassi, Roy Emerson, Jim Courier, Rafael Nadal. Correct answer is A, Andrew Agassi. Who is the captain of Indian Davis Cup team? Leander Paes, Mahesh Bhupati, Anand Amritraj, Jisan Ali. Correct answer is B, Mahesh Bhupati. Who is the president of GAISF? Stephen Fox, Marisol Casado, Kate Cathnes, none of the above. Correct answer is D, none of the above. Which country houses the headquarters of the International Olympic Committee? Greece, Switzerland, Belgium, France. Correct answer is B, Switzerland. Which was the first Summer Olympic Games which allowed females to compete at track and field athletics? 1920 Summer Olympics Antwerp, 1924 Summer Olympics Paris, 1928 Summer Olympics Amsterdam, 1932 Summer Olympics Los Angeles. Correct answer is C, 1928 Summer Olympics Amsterdam. Which national games of India will be held in 2020? 35th, 36th, 37th, 38th. Correct answer is B, 36th. In which year Pakistan won its first Cricket World Cup champion title? 1990, 1991, 1992, 1993. Correct answer is C, 1992. Which is the national sport of Pakistan? Kabaddi, field hockey, cricket, football. Correct answer is B, field hockey. Which country hosts the annual international under-21 men's field hockey tournament Sultan of Johor Cup? Turkey, Indonesia, Qatar, Malaysia. Correct answer is D, Malaysia. Who was awarded the top scorer in the first FIFA Football World Cup held in 1930? Lucien Laurent, Jimmy Douglas, Henry Christophe, Guillermo Stabile. Correct answer is D, Guillermo Stabile. Who is the only tennis player who has competed at Golden Slam? Roger Federer, Steffi Graf, Serena Williams, Rafael Nadal. Correct answer is B, Steffi Graf. What is Prakash Padukone famous for? As an Indian football player, as an Indian cricket player, as an Indian tennis player, as an Indian badminton player. Correct answer is D, as an Indian badminton player. The FIBA Hall of Fame honors player, coaches, teams, referees and administrators of which sports? Baseball, rugby, basketball, football. Correct answer is C, basketball. Which country became the champion of the 2018 FIBA Women's Basketball World Cup? Australia, United States of America, Spain, Belgium. Correct answer is B, United States of America. Which country won the gold medal in table tennis women's team at the 2018 Commonwealth Games? England, Singapore, India, Nigeria. Correct answer is C, India. Which sports competition is known as the US Senior Open? Tennis, badminton, table tennis, golf. Correct answer is D, golf. Which is the country of origin of the collar and elbow wrestling? Sweden, Denmark, Ireland, Belgium. Answer C is correct, Ireland. Recognition of excellence in which sports field Longinus Prize of Precision is awarded? Boxing, golf, polo, archery. Correct answer is D, archery. Identify the volleyball attack technique. An attack performed by a back row player. The player must jump from behind the 3-meter line before making contact with the ball, but may land in front of the 3-meter line. Backcourt, line and cross court shot, block abuse, off speed limit. Correct answer is A, backcourt. What is the name of India's initiative to deliver COVID-19 vaccine to friendly countries? COVID Maitri, Vaccine Maitri, Helping Hands, Friends in Need. Answer B is correct, Vaccine Maitri. The World Gold Demand Trend Report is released by which organization? International Monetary Fund, World Global Council, Indian Bullion Association, Reserve Bank of India. Answer B is correct, World Gold Council. Which country houses the headquarters of the World Rugby? Canada, United States of America, Ireland, France. Correct answer is C, Ireland. Arun hydropower project, which was making news recently, is being constructed in which country? India, Nepal, Bangladesh, Bhutan. Correct answer is B, Nepal. Which country recently pulled out of a deal signed with India and Japan to develop a strategic port terminal? Nepal, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Iran. Answer C is correct, Sri Lanka. Which institution has launched a new risk-based internal audit system for non-banking finance companies? SEBI, RBI, Ministry of Finance, Bombay Stock Exchange. Correct answer is B, RBI. As per the WHO, which cancer is the world most commonly diagnosed? लंग कैंसर, ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, सर्विकल कैंसर, ब्लड कैंसर। करेक्ट आंसर इज बी। इंडिया साइंड MOU with which country to build the Lalanda or Satut Dam? नेपाल, अफगानिस्तान, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका। आंसर बी इज करेक्ट, अफगानिस्तान। तो इस प्रकार यहाँ पर 50 क्वेश्चन आंसर की सीरीज पूरी होती है। उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको पसंद आया होगा। वीडियो देखने के लिए धन्यवाद। मिलते हैं नए वीडियो में नए टॉपिक के साथ। तब तक के लिए जय हिंद।